Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix no internet connection in Facebook. Okay, what should we do? As you can see, Facebook recommended to us check your modem and router and reconnect to Wi-Fi. It's stupid, but I really recommended you to check these items. If it's not worked, we need to close Facebook, open settings, and type in search bar apps. Let's do it. Okay, open it. And now click on Manage Apps. Now we need to scroll down and find Facebook app, or just type in search bar Facebook. Now we need to click on storage and clear data and cache. Or we can completely uninstall Facebook from our device and re-download it. Okay, after that go back, click on app permissions, and now we need to allow access to all of these items. For example, click on location, and now we need to select allow only while using the app or ask every time. Let's select first one, go back. After that we can open Facebook, and this might solve our problem. If it's not, we need to download some VPN service. For example, I use Planet VPN. Let's open it, and now we need to select one of the free servers. For example, let's select Netherlands. Okay, click on it, wait a couple of seconds, and let's open Facebook again. Social, Facebook, and reload our page. Okay, and as you can see, Telegram is working. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, goodbye.